What up, guys? Cat Dad 650. So I wanted, just for beginners, I want a little basic video how to ride a motorcycle. You want to ride a motorcycle you never have, you're not familiar with the clutch or anything like that. We're going to cover a few basic things in this video for you. First things first, safety. You know, you got to be safe. If you've never rode a motorcycle before and you don't know how and you're watching this video, odds are you need gear. You need a helmet. Do not try to practice of riding a motorcycle with no helmet for the first time. You're gonna fall. You might not fall, but you need a helmet. Either way it goes. Gloves. Your best friends. Maybe not these ones in particularly. Maybe like some ones with the knuckle protection on them. I just wear these. I like the way they feel. It gives me more of like a real feel to the throttle. So yeah, gloves. You know, get you a jacket. Nice jacket with like some spine protection on it. It's a nice windy day out here in Cleveland. Yeah, get you a jacket, some nice boots, skate shoes. I like LeBrons. They're comfy on, you know, so whatever. But protection is super important. So you bought a motorcycle, or you're getting ready to go buy one, or you want to learn how to ride, whatever the case is. If you can, get your hands on a dirt bike. If you know a friend who owns a Grom, a dirt bike, or any type of smaller vehicle that has two wheels, you know, like anything. But if you're learning on a motorcycle, whatever, it is what it is. A couple things you got to know. You get on the bike, boom. Start the bike, clutch in. This is your on off, start button. You turn it on. You gotta make sure it's in neutral. This is your shifter down here. So down 1, up 5, in the middle of 1 and 2 is neutral. So shifter on this side, over on this side, rear brake. Wow, that's my rear brake. Front brake. Bam, that's my front brake. Over here, clutch lever. This, don't worry about that. Clutch lever, front brake, rear brake, shifter. Okay? With all of these items, you could become a motorcycle rider. Listen, if you get into any trouble in the middle of learning, don't panic. Everybody panics. You're gonna get whiskey throttle, you're gonna flip, you're gonna over rotate, you're gonna let the bike Superman you and drag you around. I'm gonna try to go over everything before I actually start my bike, because my bike is loud. You might not be able to hear me as much. I don't have my mic set up on me. So yeah, throw it in neutral, get on the bike. The way that it works, so this clutch, basically, if you can imagine a gear always spinning right here, when you squeeze in that clutch, this gear comes out, and then you can switch it, hit your shifter, and throw in another gear. And then when you let go of that clutch, it goes in and uses that gear. You pull the clutch in, and there's no gear spinning the tire. So if you get in any trouble, you can pull in the clutch and hit the brakes and slow down. But you'll be able to solve your situations like that. If you're absolutely panicking and you're afraid and you think something bad's gonna happen, just hit the front brake, hit the rear brake really hard. The bike will stall out. It'll do a little jumpy thing, and it'll stall out. Either way, the bike's gonna stop. The brakes will stop the bike no matter what. Brakes are trump. So don't panic. You know, put the bike in neutral. First gear is gonna be your best option at learning right now, okay? You don't need any other gears. You don't have to worry about anything. When I actually start the bike, I just put it in neutral. So now I'm rolling, see me? When I actually start the bike, I'm gonna squeeze in the clutch, throw it down 1 gear into first gear. And then as I let go of the clutch, I'm gonna feel, I'll do it very slow. And if you do it slow enough, and on these newer bikes, you know, it's much easier than it used to be. You'll feel the engine start to engage. When you feel that, then you are safe to slowly let it out more and slowly give it throttle. Look at my hand, it barely moved. I'm not talking boom, throttle. Bad news. Let out the clutch and just a little bit of gas and you'll just pull off. That's how all clutch and everything with the clutch works like that. Cars, the same thing. Went, shift the gear, wing. Same thing on a motorcycle. Shift the gear, wing. See it? Shift the gear, wing. And the hand just does that. It's the motion. If you get scared, squeeze this in, hit your brakes, and you'll stop. Once you get rolling, you get comfortable with first gear, then you're pretty much rolling. Then you can shift up and go through all the gears. And yeah, so here we go. First time ever riding, you're like, okay, turn the bike on, put this on start, hit the start button. That's a loud bike, ladies and gentlemen, but okay. Here, I can turn my idle down a little bit, actually. My bad, I want to turn my idle down. I had it up way too high earlier. So, hit it down once. Now the bike's in gear, I felt it, okay? As I let this go, I'm off the brakes right now. Look, I'm letting it go just a tiny little bit and it's pulling the bike. That means the engine's engaging. If I let it go a little more, too fast, the bike will stall out. Now, you're supposed to give it a little bit of gas as you let it go. Letting it out, give it a little bit of gas. Now I'm rolling. Just like that. These people are probably going to kick me out, so I gotta switch gears so it's not so loud. But just like that, I'm rolling. Now I'm not even on the gas. I'm just rolling around right now. Yeah, if you get scared, you know, squeezing the clutch, hit the brakes. You know, you're like, oh my God, wait, it's getting away from me. I squeeze in the clutch, hit the brakes. I just stopped just that fast, no problem. I'm still in third gear, so back in first gear, let out the clutch, on the gas, just a tiny little bit. All I did was just a tiny little bit. Boom, I'm rolling. After you do this a while and you get comfortable and you're like, you're switching gears and you're riding around and you're swerving here and you're practicing your turns, most importantly, you need to practice brakes. Everybody needs to practice brakes. Emergency braking, most of all. So let's say you go up here, you know, you get rolling to like a really good speed and like first time ever and you're like, oh God, you need to practice being able to come to a really fast stop. Because the situation might come one day where you're gonna have to. Practice going, practice your emergency stops. Very important to do the emergency stops. I can't tell you how many accidents I've seen because people come in way too hot, they come in flying, and then guess what? They can't stop. And then, you know, when you can't stop the bike, guess what's gonna happen? You're gonna jump off the bike or you're gonna hit something. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna hit something. So you got to practice your emergency stops. It's super important, guys. Once you practice your emergency stops, then, you know, I'm sure you've seen videos of people doing this on the bike. Yeah, that's cool. Do that. More importantly, I think that you'll get better at riding if you just like go through your neighborhood park system at the speed limit. You know, you go the speed limit through the park system and you practice your turns. You practice going this way on the right, practice going this way on the left. You know, the faster you go, the more you might have to like huck yourself off to the side. But you're just gonna become naturally more comfortable. That's what we're going for here. You want to be comfortable as a rider. You want to be able to start your bike and come in cruising and know that you're not gonna crash. That's why I say emergency brakes, always emergency brakes. You need to learn how to stop. Very important. You know, don't get scared and whiskey throttle it. Once you get all this down, yeah, that's pretty much all you need. You know, ride time in the seat. That's what's going to make you a better rider. Don't push your limits too fast. Way too many accidents with, you know, people that get their license, get a new bike, they go flying, they crash. You got to be careful. You got to take it slow. You got to build up some stamina to the situation. It does take a lot. Also, if you're not used to squeezing in and out your clutch all day while riding, you can get really fatigued. And then imagine getting super tired while you're out riding, and then next thing you know, you can't even squeeze in the clutch no more or anything like that. So, you know, have fun with it. Learn at your own pace. Everything I showed you. Squeeze in the clutch. Hit the shifter down. Be safe. You know, there's no rush. There's no rush to learning here, guys. You know, you'll naturally get better. It's just how it goes. Everybody learns at their own pace. Just take it slow. You know, let me know. Give me any feedback. Please like and subscribe my videos, guys. I'm going to be putting out more content. I'm just kind of, you know, going over the basics of everything right now. I want to get everybody to how I was. I started out, you know, super beginner rider. Right now I'm at the point where I'm learning wheelies. Shout out the people that I see at my stunt lot. They are slayers. You know, there's this guy, Snowman Stunts. Look him up, guys. He's fire. Just a whole handful of people that are in like the community area I'm in, and everybody's super nice. You know, motorcycle riding, everybody loves it. You know, we're all out here doing the same thing. So be safe. Go over the basics. Watch my safety video. Like and subscribe. Drop some comments. Let me know if you want me to make any other videos. You know, I'm just starting out. I'm just trying to cover all the bases, you know, so have fun with it. Later, Cat Daddy 650 out.